A news report in the near future. What do you think will happen to us if we keep polluting the environment? Imagine what our planet will be like based on the following news report. Weather. Superstorms claim more than 1 million lives. Since the latest superstorm hit Southeast Asia, the total number of deaths and injuries has now exceeded 1 million. At 3 p.m. on March 30th, 2025, an 18-hour storm severely damaged the region. On April 2nd, the number of deaths and injured individuals stood at 514,000, with over 17,000 missing, and the numbers are expected to rise. One 65-year-old man who lost his house said, "I've never seen such strong winds in my whole life. I've lost everything." The storm left many people homeless. A climate scientist said this superstorm was obviously caused by dramatic changes in the global climate. He added, "A rise in global temperatures has increased the intensity of storms, with higher wind speeds. Unfortunately, researchers predict that superstorms will happen more frequently this summer." Life issues. Volunteers respond to the microdust problem. For years, the microdust that blows into Korea from China has been a serious problem. A few years ago, despite global efforts to deal with the problem, it seemed the problem was getting worse. But from the year before last, air pollution has greatly decreased thanks to the help of volunteers from neighboring countries who have planted trees in many parts of China. The effort started 10 years ago, and it's now starting to show significant results. Experts explain that the trees serve as a wall to block the sand and dust from crossing into Korea. At long last, this coming weekend, people of all ages are expected to breathe in the fresh air. Technology. Making up for the water shortage. Korea, along with many other countries in the world, is still classified as a country with a serious water shortage. However, this is starting to become a thing of the past. The remarkable development of engineering and chemistry inspired Korean researchers, who have tried to solve severe drought problems. In the end, they successfully transformed seawater into fresh water in an environmentally friendly way. They also found a way to reuse water that contains high salt content. This new solution has reduced worries about the effects of this technology on marine life. Since this technology has become widely used, it has become a source of hope for the people who need drinkable water. A sufficient supply of clean water using the technology is now being developed and is expected to help root out diseases that are caused by the world's lack of clean water. Focus. Rising sea levels threaten nations. It's now official. The Arctic ice has melted away and is now only 1/5 of what it was in 1979. Many climate scientists have said that the Arctic could have a summer entirely free of ice by 2030 due to global warming. So, what is causing the temperature to rise? The main cause is carbon dioxide emissions. Greenhouse gases are being trapped within the Earth's atmosphere, which has led to rising temperatures. The rising sea level has resulted in the sinking of the Maldives, which is a famous tourist destination. According to many researchers, by 2100, New York and Shanghai will also sink, and the average global temperature is expected to be about 3.6 degrees higher than now. Some may wonder why we should worry about a 3-degree increase in warming. A 1-degree global change is highly significant because it takes a vast amount of heat to warm all the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, and land. In the past, just a 1 to 2-degree drop caused the Earth to go through the Little Ice Age. World leaders have realized the seriousness of climate change, so they will meet in Paris next month for a climate forum. Energy. The pursuit of more efficient alternative energy sources. The global ban on fossil fuels gave a boost to alternative energy. A number of companies around the world have built up more effective energy sources that can make up for the shortage of fossil fuels. Thanks to the development of renewable energy resources, they now make up more than half of the country's entire power, and this rate is set to grow even bigger. Renewable energy resources come from a wide variety of sources, including the sun, the wind, and the sea. Using renewable energy produces less air or water pollution and fewer carbon dioxide emissions than using fossil fuels. The rapid development of renewable energy sources will help us meet energy demands without creating much pollution. The green car market. As the competition in the electric car market has become more intense, many companies have long been struggling to develop long-lasting electric car batteries. At the same time, hydrogen cars with satellite communications have also joined in this competition. They can eliminate polluted air produced by fossil fuel engines. Heating up the green car market fever, the launch of new hydrogen cars is expected to help reduce air pollution and eventually solve the energy crisis. The 10th International Environment Forum by the Green Earth Foundation. Let's be friends with the Earth. At the Green Earth Foundation, we focus on educational and cultural programs to help raise awareness regarding urgent environmental issues. For that purpose, we annually hold an International Environment Forum to share ideas and discuss environmental issues. Date and time: Saturday, April 11th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Program: Session 1, 10 to 10:30. Opening: Session 2, 10:30 to 12. Poster and video competition. Session 3, 13 to 15. Speech contest. Place: Auditorium, first floor, at May Hall. Please visit our website www.greenearth.com for more information. What do you think of the news? The future of the planet is in your hands. Your small actions can make a big difference.